India, over the last 10 years, has undergone unprecedented transformation. From Fragile 5 to Top 5. From being the back office to the world to becoming a trusted tech partner. From adding 1.6 crore unskilled Indians to the workforce each year to equipping young Indians with next-gen, future-ready skills. India has come a long way. Thanks to the Digital India program started by Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji in 2015, India's digital economy has grown 2.5 times faster than other sectors of the economy, creating tremendous opportunities for jobs and entrepreneurship for young Indians. Post-COVID, there has been a disruption in the traditional workforce and supply chains across the world. Rapid digitization is catalyzing innovation in emerging technologies such as AI, electronics and semiconductor design, robotics, cybersecurity and many more, leading to global shortage of high-quality talent to mine and drive these technologies. Therefore, our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has laid out a clear vision to shape the future of talent and make India a trusted talent partner for the world's research and tech ambitions.
To make our youth future ready, we need to continuously skill, reskill and upskill them. We need to align their competencies with evolving work profiles and practices.
As India confidently marches into its decade, there are a whole set of new possibilities for young Indians. And future-ready skills are the new passports to prosperity. The world today is looking towards India and Indian talent. But are you future ready?